dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vivian. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to curl your hair in less than like 30 minutes. This was done in 2.5. So this hair is from Westkiss hair. It's a 26, 24, 22 and a 6x6 20-inch closure. I got this hair in January, so this is pretty old. Well, not old, 5 months, but it's holding up really good. It looks really dark right now because I dyed it jet black. I love jet black, so yeah. But let's get into this video. But before we do get into the video, the styling tool I will be using is called Abody. It's a 1.5 inch, and I got this from Amazon. I will leave the link below to where I got this from. And also in this video I use my spray sheen just to give my hair a little shine, and sometimes I use heat protector, but my heat protector is all the way over there and I didn't feel like getting it, so I didn't use it. But if you want to, you can. But yeah, let's get into this hair. So I preheated my curling iron to 430, which is the farthest it can go. So now I'm basically just parting my hair in sections. Then I'm gonna create subsections, which are the smaller sections I'm gonna create.
I'm out of my mind. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. When all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost.
One major tip I'm gonna give you guys is that when you're curling your hair, you want to curl away from your face. You always want to curl away from your face. As you can see, the curler is literally going away from my face. It's not gonna go towards my face, as you guys can see what I mean. When I'm spinning it up, it's going away from my face. So that way, when the curls fall, it's literally falling away from your face, because you don't want the curls going everywhere. You want it to fall away from your face.
Take the wrong train till we end up on Wall Street. Forget the time, cause the hotel we get out of line. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Everything at your fingertips, all you need is a round trip ticket to go with me now, baby. Why don't you take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back now. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan. Ooh,
My last curl on top is always the most important curl to me because I feel as though if that curl doesn't flow perfectly, I'm not gonna like the style. So what I always do, I always go ahead and I pin it up, just so when I'm done with curling all my hair, I'm just gonna drop that last.
Back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin.
As you guys can still see that I am still curling away from my face. I am not curling towards my face. Whatever you do on one side, you have to do to the other side.
Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan. Soundstripe. Let's go to the west side of Times Square. Hey, spend all of our money on Fifth Street. I like it over there. Even though you think it is too crowded, like Broadway and all the lights. We'll take the wrong train till we end up on Wall Street. Forget the time, cause the hotel we get out of line. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, yeah. Hey, take me back to Manhattan. Oh, take me back to Manhattan. Take me back, yeah. All the lights, all the music is in the air. I can see it's on the rooftops, hand in hand now, baby. Why don't you take me back now?
So guys, this is the final finished look of when I finally dropped that pin on the other side, just so my curls can flow perfectly. Yes, look at that shine. So much shine. I'm telling you guys, when you color your hair jet black, it looks so much better, like literally. But thank you guys so much for tuning back into the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back.